Hey everyone, I'm Matthew Francis, and Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so I'm going to show you how to make some delicious homemade turkey gravy. So this turkey gravy you can either make fresh to have with your holiday meal or for Thanksgiving, or you can make it ahead of time and store it for later. It'll stay thick, it won't separate, and it will last you 3 months in the freezer if you do want to make it ahead. So the first thing that we have to do is roast our turkey wings and onions. So to a roasting pan, add in 6 turkey wings and 2 onions that are peeled and quartered. What's great about this step is putting the turkey wings and the onions into the oven and getting them nice and brown and caramelized and kind of charred on some of the edges. That's going to add so much more flavor to our turkey gravy. Next, we're going to take the roasting pan and put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for at least an hour until the turkey wings are nice and brown and the onions are a little bit charred and roasted. Place brown wings and onions in a 5-quart stock pot. Then you want to take some hot water and pour it onto your roasting pan and scrape off the bottom with a wooden spoon so you can get all those roasted bits off of the bottom of the pan. Then you're going to take that darker liquid and pour it into your stock pot. Once we have all those ingredients into the stock pot, we can add in our chicken broth, some carrots, and some thyme. Turn the heat down to medium-low and reduce it to a simmer, and simmer uncovered for about an hour to an hour and a half. Remove wings from the pot and you're going to pour it over a colander to strain out all the liquid. And then you can take a wooden spoon and press down onto those carrots and those onions to really extract as much moisture out as you can. And then once you've fully strained all the solids, you can discard those and you can take that broth and bring it back up to a gentle boil. In a separate measuring cup or bowl, take your 2 cups of chicken broth and mix it with the 3/4 cup of flour. You can whisk it all together and make sure it's really smooth and consistent, and it should look almost like heavy cream or really thick milk. Then take your flour stock mixture and pour it into the simmering turkey liquid and whisk it together. Make sure it's fully whisked together and smooth, and let it come to a simmer and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the liquid thickens. Once your turkey gravy is nice and thick and smells delicious and looks the correct color for you, add in your 2 tablespoons of butter and some black pepper. Fold that in until it melts nice and smoothly into your gravy. This turkey gravy is incredibly delicious because we're using real ingredients, and it's really stable because we added in that mixture of flour and water. It'll stay thick, it won't separate, and it will last you 3 months in the freezer if you do want to make it ahead. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to Allrecipes. We make a ton of helpful videos that are going to be so useful for you in your kitchen. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you don't miss any of the great videos that we do make. And down in the comments below, tell me your favorite thing to have your turkey gravy with. Meat, potatoes, your starches, veggies, let me know. I'm Matthew Francis, and I'll see you next time.